Hi, and welcome once again to my show In Our Teens, a show that brings together parents, teenagers, and experts to help us understand the remarkable journey of teenage. In my guest chair today is a celebrity hairstylist, Kaustubh Pevrekar. He has been with me as my, I wouldn't say hairstylist, but a very close person who understands my hair well. And I'm happy to have him in my guest chair today, where he's here to discuss the possible careers in hairstyling. आइए उनसे बात करते हैं. Hi Kaustubh and welcome to my show In Our Teens.
Thank you so much for calling. I'm honored to be here.
I just want to tell my audience that for past 7 to 8 years,
Yeah,
all my haircuts are done by Kaustubh and I am his loyal customer.
very loyal.
Huh? More like a family now.
Yes, exactly. More like a family.
And I've
Yeah.
seen you grow, Kaustubh,
Thank you.
and I'm so very proud of you.
Thank you so much.
So, जब मैंने आपसे कहा कि आप आए इन आर टीन्स में और हमारे टीनेजर्स को पता है कि हेयर स्टाइलिंग कैसा एक बडिंग करियर हो सकता है, तो आपको क्या थॉट प्रोसेस था?
First of all, I was very interested to do this because जब मुझे लगा कि ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, it is very इंडिया में इसको बहुत कम इस पे करते हैं
Yes.
कि लाइक क्या हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट बनेगा. बट नाउ व्हेन वी हैव ग्रोन, व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर विद दैट टाइम द पीपल थॉट वाज लाइक दैट.
No.
Now it's grown to another level only. So now it's become a profession where you can earn as same as an engineer.
Correct.
It's as good as that.
Correct.
It's really good.
पर जब आपने कितने साल पहले आपने शुरू किया होगा?
So I started 14 years ago.
14 इयर्स में.
Yeah.
तो जब आपने इसकी शुरुआत की तब आपको लगा था कि ये इतना फ्लरिश होगा करियर?
हाँ, तभी था बिकॉज मेरी मॉम पहले से ही एक हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट और मेकअप आर्टिस्ट थी. तो उन्होंने हमेशा मुझे सपोर्ट किया है हर चीज़ में कि तुम्हें अगर ये करना है तुम ये कर सकते हो, वो करना है वो कर सकते हो. तो आई ऑलवेज अ क्राफ्ट गाय. लाइक आर्ट मेरे को बहुत पहले से पसंद था. एकेडमी में ज़रा भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं था.
करेक्ट.
ऑलवेज गुड इन आर्ट. तो देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस. तो उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हाँ ही इज़ गेटिंग इनटू दैट और वो समझ रहा है ये चीज़ों को एंड देन सो सीखना चाहता है. तो वैसे आई गॉट इनटू दिस. तभी मेरे को व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड विद अ ब्रांड.
Which brand?
जूस.
Okay.
सो आई स्टार्टेड माई कोर्स विद जूस. तो वहाँ से तभी जूस भी बहुत फेमस था बिकॉज ऑफ दिल चाहता है. ऑल दिस मूवीज केम अप एंड देन दे वर स्टाइलिंग देयर हेयर
Yes.
एंड वी
So,
ब्रांड वाज देयर.
sorry to cut you. Juice belongs to.
नाउ इट बिलोंग्स टू नितिन कलवान.
Okay.
Earlier it was in partnership or something like that.
Okay.
So now they have parted ways.
Okay.
That way.
So that's how you thought that. So you
Yeah.
took all your training from Juice.
Yeah, I started my training from Kristen Wellme and then in Juice.
Okay.
And then in Tony and then various places.
Okay.
So I always wanted to update myself in my art. So I always taken every class and every courses from different places. So I get to know more and more about it.
So Kaustubh आपकी आई तो मतलब she does makeup also,
Yes,
hair
yes,
also, you know.
yes.
तो आपने hair क्यों चुना? Not makeup.
Because एक इंसिडेंट था जब 10th स्टैंडर्ड में मैं था और वेकेशन चल रहे थे. तो मैंने क्योंकि स्कूल में अलाउड नहीं होता है ग्रो करना. तो आई स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग माई हेयर. तो 4-5 मंथ्स में एटलीस्ट यहाँ तक नेक तक लेंथ आ गई थी एंड इट वॉज वेवी माई हेयर. तो आई वॉन्टेड डू स्ट्रेटनिंग. तो आई वॉज इंसिस्टिंग माई मदर टू डू स्ट्रेटनिंग एंड शी वाज लाइक नो केमिकल डोंट डू इट. यू आर स्टिल यंग, यू आर स्टिल यंग. आई स्टार्टेड लाइक आई लिटरली convinced her to do that and then she started doing the hair rebonding process to me. I started loving the way she is doing it and the after effect of it. So I thought I got more interested in this and I started doing it to my friends.
Okay.
Just by observing what she did.
Correct.
And that's when I started falling in love with doing hair to other people and making them look much better.
So Kaustubh आप जब टीनेजर थे तो हमारी कंट्री में तो ऐसा है कि आपको पढ़ाई पूरी करनी है,
Yeah.
फिर
मेरे
आपका
को भी
इंटरेस्ट,
practice.
हॉबी और पैशन जो भी हो, लेकिन आपने ये चूज किया कि ठीक है पढ़ाई तो चल रही है लेकिन मेरा पैशन ये है और मैं इसे अपना करियर बनाऊं.
Right.
तो आपको लगता है कि आपने ऑन फील्ड होके ये स्पेशलाइजेशन सीखा है, ऑब्जर्व करके या उनमें
Yes.
रह के?
Yes. तो फर्स्ट थिंग वाज तुम अगर कोर्स करोगे तो तुम्हें डिटेल में पता चलेगा, नॉलेज मिलेगा विद थियरी विद प्रैक्टिकल एंड एवरीथिंग. बट देयर इज ऑलवेज अ ऑब्जर्वेशन. नोबडी कैन होल्ड योर हैंड एंड टीच यू दिस.
करेक्ट.
You have to observe then also and you have to observe later also. तो मेन I would suggest कि अगर तुम सीखना चाहते हो ये चीज़ तो पहले अपना बेस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रखो. कीप योर थियरी ऑल्सो इंटैक्ट एंड विथ योर प्रैक्टिकल, बिकॉज जो थियरी में दिखता है वो प्रैक्टिकल में कुछ और होता है,
करेक्ट।
तो आपको वो एक्सपीरियंस भी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है।
तो ये हम कहाँ सीखते हैं, ये थियरी और जो प्रैक्टिकल?
देयर आर मेनी इंस्टीट्यूट्स राइट नाउ। अभी जैसे मैंने कहा, मैंने जूस में सीखा, क्रिस्टल वेलमी है, देन देयर इज JCB, लॉरियल, टोनी एंड गाय। There are many institutes right now. There are various now. There are not only brands, there are non-brands as well. They are which are good. Now it's all about art. आप कोई ब्रांड में जाते हो तो आप पहले एक ब्रांड देख के जाते हो,
Correct.
फिर वहाँ पे एक हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट से मिलते हो, पर उसका काम आपको अच्छा लगता है, इसके लिए आप वहाँ से वापस जाते हो. So that if that hairstyle leaves and open their own, so it doesn't make him less.
Correct.
It's always about his art.
Yes.
That way.
कौस्तुभ, जैसे कि आपने कहा ये इंस्टीट्यूट्स कोर्सेज ऑफर करते हैं, तो ये थियरी पार्ट भी यही सिखाते हैं?
यही सिखाते हैं.
और फिर इसके एग्जाम्स होते हैं?
Yes, उसके एग्जाम्स भी होते हैं. It's like how in school there is always a practical and theory.
Correct.
वैसे ही इसमें पहले आपको थियरी बताई जाएगी, हर एक हेयर के लेवल्स के बारे में बताया जाएगा, उस हेयर के अंदर क्या होता है, पूरा हेयर एनाटॉमी सिखाया जाएगा, और उसके बाद आपका उसका एग्जाम्स भी होगा कि आस्किंग द राइट क्वेश्चंस एंड देन आंसरिंग इट प्रॉपर्ली.
अच्छा.
That way. And if you pass, then you get a certification.
Correct.
Otherwise you don't. Like how you get pass into another standard, the same way you get the certification.
So what is this course called, कौस्तुभ?
It's called hairstyling course.
हेयर स्टाइलिंग कोर्स. और ये कितने ड्यूरेशन का होता है?
It depends. There are 6 months also. There are 3 months. There are 4 months. Depending on what all things you take. If you take only hair cutting, there's 3 months. If you take everything, then it's 6 months. With 2 months of internship. Now every institute has different ways of doing it. Like where I learned, that was 4 months.
And you learned at Juice?
Juice, yeah. First I learned in first I did a color course in Kristen Velmi, which was in Bandra again.
Correct.
And then Juice Pali Hill, which was in Bandra again.
Okay.
So over there it was 4 months, and then I started working there itself, so that I get more and more experience working in that kind of area at that period of time. Pali Hill
And that
was
clientele?
that clientele, facing that kind of the type of clients, the needs of the client, completing their needs of the client, and I think that helped me most to upgrade myself more and more, so that
Correct.
I always felt that it is very less what I know, because there is always a client who is coming and asking for something or the other which is extraordinary,
जो बुक्स में नहीं होता?
जो बुक्स में नहीं होता था. और हमें बेसिक में सिर्फ वही सिखाया जाता है कि ये एलिवेशन है, ये डिग्री है, ये वो है. अगर आप इसको इतना काटोगे तो कैसे होगा वो पता नहीं जाता. इफ दिस टाइप ऑफ हेयर comes, then what will happen, that base में नहीं होता, then you have to do other courses.
Correct.
Then you have advanced courses.
So ये एडवांस कोर्सेज भी उसी
उसी
इंस्टीट्यूशन
institute
में?
में हो जाता है.
अच्छा. और वो कितने ड्यूरेशन के होते हैं?
वो 2 months, 1 month, depending on that. Nowadays तो it's very easy, because अगर आपका base clear है, then there is crash courses on internet.
अच्छा.
So that you get videos. If you understand, if you just observe and you understand कि if you cut like this, then it's very easy to understand. Otherwise, if you need a teacher, if you need someone like physically present, so that some people understand that way, some people understand this way.
Correct.
So then that is also available.
Okay.
Both the ways are available.
So कौस्तुभ, ये अभी आपने जो कहा, ये बेसिक कोर्स, उसके बाद एडवांस कोर्स, ये सब में कितनी इन्वेस्टमेंट लगती है?
So
फीस,
when
मतलब फीस
I-
स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है?
When I started, it was around 1.5 everywhere I paid. Like 2, then Tony and Guy went to 2. Now it's way more. I think it's 3 or 4 lakh rupees.
Okay. For a basic
For
course?
a basic.
And then
But
advanced?
which covers everything.
Okay.
Which covers your hair cutting techniques, which covers your color techniques, which covers your chemical techniques. So all 3 comes in that much. Depending on where you go in them. Now there's people who teach in 50,000 also.
Oh. So it
That-
depends आप किस ब्रांड से
किस ब्रांड
एसोसिएट
में जा रहे हो, या नॉन ब्रांड में जा रहे हो, या कहाँ जा रहे हो.
सो कौतुभ, जब आपने ये सब सीखा तो फिर क्या आप रेडी होते हो इंस्टीट्यूट से, जैसे बाहर निकलते हैं आप, कहिए कि आपने 2 साल का इंटर्नशिप कर लिया, उसके बाद क्या आप रेडी होते हैं अपना खुद का सैलून खोलने के लिए?
Actually not. First of all, running a salon and cutting hair is way different.
ओके.
रनिंग अ सैलून आपका वो एस्थेटिक ऑफ बिजनेस जो है, जो अकाउंटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, मार्केटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू डू अ डिफरेंट स्टडी.
करेक्ट.
If you do a business study for that, then you can boom your salon. If
Correct.
you only know your art and then you come here, then you only feel कि तुम्हें सिर्फ देना है लोगों को. You just have to complete your if the client has come to you, you just have to give them 100% that way.
Correct.
But you don't know कि how much overheads you have and then how to calculate that. तो वो कितना per ticket होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए, it all depends on your different studies.
Correct.
तो salon businesses भी एक कोर्स आते हैं जो which salon development courses which they give like 1 week का course or something like that. तो that also happens.
ताकि आप समझे कि सैलून को रन कैसे
run
किया
करना
जाता है.
Yeah, that's for salon owners.
तो ये कहाँ मिलेंगे ये कोर्सेज?
So ये इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारे हैं. तो जिसमें अभी देखने जाओगे तो I don't know particular ones because I never did it. I was into my craft only.
correct.
But yeah, I can do that. I can find the things and everything. So
Okay.
if you go on Google and you search for salon development management,
You'll get a
you'll
list
get
of
the options that way. Now, who's the best? I don't.
कौस्तुभ, मैं जानती हूँ कि आपने खुद ने भी एक सैलून खोला था
Yes.
एंड देन यू फेल्ट कि शायद आपका क्राफ्ट कहीं ना कहीं ओवर शैडो हो रहा है
Yes.
क्योंकि आपका बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम बिजनेस चलाने में खर्च हो रहा है
चलाने में।
एंड आप अपने क्राफ्ट को सही टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे, तो आपने उसका एक सोल्यूशन कैसे निकाला?
So best solution for that was, first of all, you need a trustworthy people
Correct.
who's working with you, so that if you're not around, then you can take care of it.
करेक्ट.
So when I started going out, like I give trainings to various brands. I started freelancing as a trainer.
Okay.
I do shoots with celebrities. So when I started going out for shoots, I wasn't there for months, और मैं 15-20 दिन के लिए बाहर या ऐसे कहीं जाता था. तो वो टाइम के बीच में सैलून के अंदर प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. तो you need a proper management to manage that thing.
Correct.
If that management is proper, the people trustworthy and they know what they are doing, and you don't have to come and tell them every time ki do this, do that, do this, do that, then you can manage the salon as well and your craft.
So Kaustubh, now that you're sticking to your craft and you manage so many celebrities, आपको कभी प्रेशर फील होता है उनके डिमांड्स को लेके? I know, could you tell us what all celebrities you manage? Who all celebrities you manage?
So I started with Satyajit Dubey,
Okay.
which was I met him in Juice.
Okay.
Then I met Nakul Mehta in Tony and Guy.
Yes.
Then I met Dimansh Kohli, and then I met Pratik Babbar.
Okay.
And there's on and off Tushar Kapoor I do, and on and off Shekhar Rajwan. When I started doing their hair, it was very challenging because it's something new. Apart from the salon, doing behind the camera, maintaining the continuity was a challenge then.
Yes.
But then once you keep doing it, you get a hack of it ki haan theek hai, now you can manage it that way.
Correct.
Now it's like that ki if you keep practicing more, if you're prepared for it, then you have no pressure on it.
Correct.
If it's like sudden change कि हाँ अभी ये करना है तो फिर वो थोड़ा pressure लगता है. But when you know your craft, then you just have that panic attack for 5 to 6 minutes and then हाँ okay, I can do this.
Okay.
That way. So basically you need to first make your base very strong
Correct.
and know your art
Craft very well.
Yes, you know what will happen when you do this.
Correct.
Then you have no pressure.
Okay. कौस्तुभ, अभी बताते बताते आपने कहा कि कंटिन्यूटी मेंटेन. अब बाल में क्या कंटिन्यूटी मेंटेन होती
होता
है?
है ना, अगर कोई बाल यहाँ से वहाँ है, अगर
यहाँ से वहाँ मतलब?
ये बाल अगर यहाँ से वहाँ हो गया और देन कंटिन्यूटी चलते हुए एक सेम शॉट में एक सेम डायलॉग में अगर वो बाल हिल गया तो इट लुक वियर्ड.
तो आपको वहाँ भी ध्यान रखना है.
वो भी ध्यान देना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू बी ऑलवेज बिहाइंड द
आर्टिस्ट एंड बिहाइंड द मॉनिटर
when you're shooting.
कौस्तुभ, हेयर स्टाइलिंग की जब हम बात करते थे तो यूजुअली ऐसे होता था कि औरतें ज़्यादा बाल बनाती हैं,
हाँ.
औरतों के बाल में ज़्यादा स्टाइलिंग होता है. लेकिन अभी आपने जितने भी सेलिब्रिटीज का नाम लिया, दे आर ऑल मेल एक्टर्स. ऐसे ऐसे कितने बाल होते हैं और क्या कैसे स्टाइलिंग, लाइक हाउ दिस एंटायर कल्चर ऑफ इवन मेन ऑप्टिंग फॉर डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स ऑफ हेयर डू हैज कम इन द सीन?
I still remember, I think after David Beckham started doing hair styling and everything, every man was into it. And that took years. Like when I started my career, I think 2009, when I started my career, तभी मेरे पास ज़्यादा फीमेल क्लाइंट्स थे, मेल थे लेकिन जस्ट फॉर स्टाइलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, नॉर्मल हेयर कट और वो सब करने के लिए. बट जब बाद में वो एक ग्रूमिंग पैटर्न, वो जो सोशल मीडिया पे दिखाने लगे, हाउ मेन ग्रूमिंग इज एंड एवरीथिंग स्टार्टेड चेंजिंग. Like they started taking care of a beard, they started taking care of the hair, then they started taking कि every hair, every fade and every haircut should be precise. ऐसे नहीं कि हाँ आगे छोटे कर दो, नहीं. They have their own demands also right
Yes.
now. कि I want to look like this, I want to be like this, I want to take care of my hair that way. So that has changed in a very long time. Like I think 2014-15 it started in a very,
It was in its boom.
It was in its boom. Like everyone wanted to groom their hair that way. So I love that much कि like not only women, men's are also into that कि that you need to look good.
Correct.
That way. Though every human is good, but then you need to
enhance
it.
तो कौस्तुभ, जब स्टाइलिंग करते हैं तो जैसे हम यूज करते हैं, देयर आर सो मेनी जेल प्रोडक्ट्स, देयर आर सेरम्स,
Yes.
सो मेनी केमिकल्स दैट वी पुट इन आवर हेयर. एज अ हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, क्या आप इतने रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं कि आप सही प्रोडक्ट्स अपने क्लाइंट को रेकमेंड करें? इज दैट अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑल्सो?
It is a responsibility because you don't know what will trigger the allergies between them when you use something. Like some people have allergies with wax, When they wax their hair, they can start getting acne on the forehead.
Correct.
So then you know कि like this person is not for wax.
Correct.
So you need to understand the scalp, you need to understand the hair, and you need to understand their whole life structure, like how they maintain their hair, what shampoo conditioners they use. If they are using a commercial products, then you should say no. You should not use the commercial product. You should only use the professional recommended product
Correct.
because they know your hair better than yourself. That way. So you need to understand in giving products to clients, and it should be professionally and not so highly chemical.
Correct.
That is more important.
सो कौस्तुभ, जब आप हेयर स्टाइलिंग की बात करते हैं तो क्या इस प्रोफेशन को पैरालाइंस है कि अगर आप हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट नहीं बनना चाहते तो क्या आप इस इंफॉर्मेशन के बेसिस पर इसी फील्ड में कुछ और बन सकते हैं?
Yeah, you can be a trainer. Like you don't want to do hair, but you want to train people to be a trainer, to be a hairstylist. Then you can be a trainer, or you can be a makeover consultant. So that way that is option also. Like all the airlines they do, they hire a consultant. Like how to groom yourself, how our SOPs of looks are in the certain industry, and now corporate have started the same way. Like when you go to JP Morgan, people they have certain. Now they have opened up more. Earlier it was like no, you have to carry this kind of look.
Correct.
Now they have opened up thoda sa little bit more with the colors and everything for
Correct.
females also.
Okay.
Earlier it was only browns and blondes.
Okay.
You can't go beyond that. Now they have gone to the fashion shade as well. So I have met with those type of clients also that were working in corporate and were working as artists or other things. And
So
students.
corporates invite consultants
Yes.
for makeovers of their employees so that they look in a presentable way.
Presentable. Yeah.
वो भी एक फील्ड है जहाँ
Yes.
आप ये काम कर सकते हैं.
Yes, of course.
एंड कौस्तुभ, क्या ये प्रोडक्ट कंपनीज जो हैं जो हेयर प्रोडक्ट्स बनाती हैं, स्किन प्रोडक्ट्स बनाती हैं, क्या वहाँ पे भी कंसल्टेंसी हो सकती है? क्या
Yes,
उसके लिए
वहाँ
कोई
पे भी
एक
हो
डिग्री
सकती
की
है.
जरूरत है?
नहीं, इसके लिए भी यही डिग्री चलेगी.
जो कोर्सेस
चलेगा.
आपने
You don't
बताया.
have to do any other things, but you need to be good at what you know.
Correct.
What you know about it. Then whenever you join a product company, like L'Oreal has their own trainers to train about the products. So every product they will also give you the training,
अच्छा.
because whoever comes new to the certain area, then they will obviously have to explain them about their own company.
Correct.
So they will also give you the training about what this product do, what that product do. Like everything, like L'Oreal has, Kérastase, Schwarzkopf, Wella, they all have their own trainers
Correct.
to train about their own brand and own this thing. So that is also a way of
Branching
part
out.
of,
Yeah.
branching out as a hairstylist.
Correct.
That way.
सो कौस्तुभ, आप किस जोन में कंफर्टेबल होते हैं जब आप अपने खुद के क्लाइंट्स का मेकओवर करते हैं या शूटिंग पर?
I am comfortable where I'm free,
ओके.
where I can do and learn more. I still feel I don't know anything much, but I need to learn and learn and learn more.
Correct.
That's what I feel. That learning never stops for me.
Correct.
So when I do shoots, it's completely different. It's where a character build-up is.
Correct.
Where you have to make a character. When they give you a story brief that this is the character, this is what he does, this is how he looks, and then you have to imagine and make them show ki like this is how it's going to be in the frame.
Correct.
Where you see a celebrity looks differently, and when you go on the this thing, it gives you the character.
Correct.
That's how the feel comes in.
Correct.
And when you do with the clients is like on daily basis.
Correct.
So we need to explain them ki what you see in the movies and what you do in the show in the Google thing and everything. It's all style.
Correct.
So if you don't style your hair that way, it will not look the same.
Correct.
So you have to style it. So then that is very different. So this thing will work on how you cut the hair. That thing will work on how you style the hair.
You've learned it on field, don't you?
Yeah.
तो आपको प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग या एजुकेशन दे सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके आगे आप क्राफ्ट को कैसे डेवलप करते हैं ये आप पर है.
Yes.
ना कौस्तुभ, टेल मी, क्या इंटरनेशनली जो फैशन स्टेटमेंट्स बिल्ड होते हैं, डज इट अफेक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ मेकओवर्स हियर इन इंडिया?
Yes, it does. Because वैसे आप all I think majority happens like that only. What happens outside, we want to do that. That way it happens. So not only that, but if you see outside people, they adapt our traditional ways of doing the hair and everything, and we adapt the westernized way of doing the hair.
Correct.
So when they do something different, we feel, oh wow, what is different? What is this? I want to also do it. So that's how it gives us also inspiration to learn and more about it.
Correct.
Like I would say, if you see Hollywood people when they style the hair, it's very different. So I get inspired by that. Ki, oh, this is something different. This is very easy tips and tricks, but you should be so open to it that you will be able to do
Correct.
that way.
कौसुब, अभी आपने जो ट्रेनिंग और कोर्सेज के बारे में बताया, क्या ये ओवरसीज रेलेवेंट है?
Actually, it is not relevant, but you will have to go there and do a course. Certain countries, and they have some hours. That hours you have to spend as a hairstylist, and then you get a license to work as a hairstylist.
मतलब इंटर्नशिप करके फिर ही
Internship
आप
करके
लाइसेंस मिलेगा?
Yes, and you have to do a course over there. And some certain places like Dubai and everything, you can go and work.
Okay. So there you don't need the license.
Yeah. If you go to Canada, US, UK, New Zealand, Australia, then you have to go there, do their like the minimum course, whatever it is there, do that, and you have to spend certain hours according to their government regulations.
Then you get a license.
Then you get a license to work as a hairstylist.
In our country license की जरूरत
जरूरत
नहीं
नहीं।
या किसी एसोसिएशन से रिलेटेड रहने की जरूरत नहीं
जरूरत
है,
नहीं।
आप इंडिपेंडेंटली अपना काम कर
Yes.
सकते हैं।
Once you have the certification, you can do it.
कौसुब, what are your thoughts on teenagers today? जब वो आपके पास आते हैं, एक स्ट्रीक कर दो।
The teenagers right now, what I feel is they are more open to do whatever they want.
Correct.
But they don't know how to take care of it. Do whatever you want, but first take care of your hair. If you don't take care of your hair and scalp, then you won't have more time to experiment on your hair.
Okay.
It'll start losing because nowadays the weather is gone bad.
Yes.
The type of food what we have is not that great. So the nutrition is not well supplied to our teenagers. So that's the reason our health also goes down.
Correct.
Our hair health also goes down.
Correct.
So in that way, you need to have like how bodybuilders take supplements to pump up. Like we also need some supplements to keep our hair and skin and everything well. So first do that, and then you can do whatever you want.
बट क्या रहते हैं इनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस जब आपके, क्या वो क्लियर होते हैं कि किस तरह का मेकओवर चाहिए?
They are very clear what they
Huh?
want.
Yeah.
They are very clear. When they come with a this thing,
फोटोज?
photos or anything, they are very clear. Like I want it like this only, and they will also check कि बराबर दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है. So that is very, they are very sharp nowadays. Kids are very sharp. Now I don't think so. We need to tell them also anything. They know पहले से everything. So we don't need to like हाँ ये सब मुझे पता आप ये कर दो.
करेक्ट।
ऐसे होता है.
कौसुब, आप सेलिब्रिटीज को स्टाइल करते हैं और एक रैंडम टीनेजर भी आप आपके सैलून पर आते हैं टू स्टाइल देयर हेयर, तो आप ये बैलेंस कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं?
So it's not very difficult to handle them. You just need to listen to them, what they want. Once you get to know what they want, it's very easy to deliver what they're looking for.
करेक्ट।
But they are very sharp. They know what they want and उनको वैसा ही चाहिए
करेक्ट।
जैसा उन्होंने बताया. उनको यहाँ से वहाँ कुछ चर्चा नहीं चलेगा. And then they don't listen to their parents anyways. खुद नहीं, हमको वैसे ही करना है तो वैसे ही करना है. तो
They don't listen to parents, but they listen to you.
Yeah, they listen to me. So then we need to make sure कि हाँ okay we come in a middle. क्या you have to ask your parents कि कैसे करना है. It's like some people want to go long, some people want to cut it short, and some teen wants it to like मुझे short करना है लेकिन parents wants it long. So then we have to meet in middle. कि like okay this is too long and this is too short. And then we have to make sure that they also love it and the parents also love it.
So, I mean, what I'm liking about you is, Kaustubh, you are dealing with the high range celebs as well, and you are very down to earth when a teenager comes to you and says, I need a cut like this.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of a good upbringing
Yeah.
to maintain that balance. That's all because of I,
Yeah.
which is so good.
I am basically I'm a very good listener also.
Yes, that you are.
That's like okay, no problem.
So, Kaustubh, when you were a teenager, and maybe you went through a good phase, a low phase, a difficult phase, what would you want to tell teenagers today who are going through a lot of pressure? Sometimes पढ़ाई के वजह से हो गया या करियर चॉइस के वजह से हो गया या कुछ चीज़ें उनके हिसाब से नहीं होती, तो पेशेंस कम पड़ जाता है. So you as a teenage self, what would you want to tell teenagers today?
So I want to tell them one thing, that whatever you do, focus on one thing. Don't see what world is going through. Don't compare yourself with some other person. Compare yourself with your yesterday. If you more and more learn about things, what you want to do or what you want to think, you just challenge yourself and be a better person later.
करेक्ट. कौस्तुभ, तो जाते जाते हमारे टीनेजर्स को बताएं एक या दो अच्छी हेयर केयर टिप.
Basically, आपको first of all need to wash your hair thrice a week. If you're male, then twice a week also will do. Make sure that you shampoo and condition your hair both, and your water should be not hard water.
Correct.
It should be a good normal water,
Yes.
not hard water. If there's a hard water,
Hard
make
water
sure-
is a boring water.
boring water. Yeah.
Correct.
So hard water will always damage your hair. So make sure that you use a good water and that you know how the water tap turns the color.
Yeah.
So that means it has a hard water. So
Correct.
you need to take care of that. First of all, keep your scalp clean.
Correct.
That is very important because whatever your nutrition hair is getting, it's from the scalp. If your scalp is healthy, your hair is healthy.
एंड कौस्तुभ शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर ये रिचुअल कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है?
It's basically
क्योंकि
very.
कभी कभी इतनी घाई होती है
हाँ.
कि बस शैम्पू करके निकल जाओ.
हाँ, ऐसे बहुत बार होता है. Then first of all, basically shampoo does the different thing, conditioner does a different thing. What shampoo does is cleansing. It opens up your cuticle and it cleans your dirt from the hair and everything. Conditioner seals the cuticle and conditions your hair so that no dust and everything is particles are going inside your hair. Third thing I want to tell, very important, don't keep your hair wet and go outside. First dry your hair and then go outside. When there is more wet, when you go to atmosphere in wet hair, the dust attracts more.
Okay.
Like how you wipe a table with a wet cloth and a dry cloth. So wet cloth will take out more dirt and the dry cloths will not take out that much dirt. The
Correct.
same applies to the hair.
Okay.
So always keep your hair dry and go out in the atmosphere.
कौस्तुभ अभी आजकल तो हेयर स्पा सब निकले, क्या इससे सचमुच फर्क पड़ता है?
Yes, it does. So basically, hair spa is a more concentrated, more better version of conditioner, but there's a way of putting it, and there should be a particular hair spa for particular hair care. You can't put any hair spa to any hair.
Okay.
If your hair needs repair, there should be a repair. If your hair needs smoothing, it needs a smoothing. If your hair needs hair fall thing, then there's a scalp treatment. So
Correct.
that you have to take it. To that only go with your professional
Hairstylist that,
yeah. They will only
recommends.
recommend you proper hair care treatments. But do it. I think once in this busy life, तो once a week तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन at least once a month is very important.
Okay.
Doing a hair spa is really good for your hair.
Okay.
It's like a supplement to your hair.
Yeah. Pampering your hair.
Pampering your hair.
So Kaustuv, before wrapping up, and this time definitely wrapping up, क्या है कि हेयर हैक दे सकते हैं आप टीनेजर्स के लिए? Last minute hack.
Last minute hack. So if your hair is not in shape, what I would suggest that take a middle partition, twist it away from your face, and then you put a dryer over it.
Okay.
So when you put a dryer, your cuticle smoothens out.
Okay.
So wherever you have fly hair and everything, if you put a dryer on it, it smoothens out. And if you do that and then flip your hair ahead and then just open it up, so it gives a nice beach wave kind of thing.
Okay. So that's how then it gives you the blow dry
and
look.
that's the trend going on right now. The little messy and little neat.
What all trends come up,
Yeah.
yeah. Kaustuv, I also know that when Umisha was younger, you had suggested to us an organization, Cope with Cancer. तो Cope with Cancer एक organization है जहाँ पे जब भी आपके लंबे बाल होते हैं और आप काटते हैं तो छोटे छोटे डिस्टेंस पे काटने से बाल खराब हो जाते हैं, वो कभी रिसाइकल नहीं हो पाते. तो अगर आप 1 लेंथ 12 इंचेस काट कर इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को डोनेट करते हैं तो ये कैंसर पेशेंट्स के लिए मुफ्त में विग बनाते हैं. तो अगर आप नेक्स्ट टाइम अपने हेयर कट के लिए जाएं तो ध्यान रखिए कि अगर आपकी एक लेंथ बाल हैं तो 12 इंचेस कटिंग से एंड तक हो तो प्लीज़ कोप विद कैंसर के बारे में गूगल करें और कुरियर से उन्हें भेजें एंड दे विल सेंड यू बैक अ सर्टिफिकेट फॉर applauding the lovely gesture that you have shown towards cancer patients. Kaustuv, thank you
so
for being
much.
here with us. And I know आप सोच रहे थे क्या बात करेंगे, कैसे बात करेंगे,
मैं तो बहुत नर्वस था.
बट आई होप मैंने आपको कंफर्टेबल किया.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
और
It feel like we are talking in salon only. Like
है ना? इसलिए our sessions go till 10:30 in the night. ये आपके लिए
that's
from
so
my
nice.
team.
Thank you so much. Thank
Because
you
a
so
little
much.
earth and little green makes the
It's
world
needed.
beautiful. आज के इस एपिसोड में बस इतना ही. मिलेंगे आपसे अगले एपिसोड में. तब तक के लिए do not forget to like, share and subscribe. नमस्कार.